What's up guys? LG upcoming wing has been a massive attention grabber lately, for what are pretty obvious reasons. The design is rather out there, so much so that we'll take any opportunity to have a closer look at it. That's precisely what a pair of new leak offers, a running LG wing unit, placed next to the Samsung Galaxy Note20. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, subscribe to this channel will be incredible. So, the unfortunate angles of both shots make it a bit hard to judge dimensions properly. However, the LG wing does appear to be slightly taller than the Note20, which, for the record, measures 8.3 mm in thickness. Honestly, it wasn't particularly hard to estimate comparative sizing between the two, since the Note20 has a 6.7-inch 20:9 display, with quite slim bezels, whereas leaks in that, a 6.8-inch display on the LG wing. We don't really know the aspect ratio of the latter, but it could be drastically different. Plus, its bezels do look notably bigger, which all adds up to a bigger footprint, and that's without even considering the extra girth of the two-piece design, one aspect we have yet to get a proper sense of scale for. Anyway, before we recap the other details we currently know about the LG wing, the source for these photos does also mention that the phone will feature an exclusive UI. This has popped up in previous rumors as well. This time around, however, we have what looks to be a glimpse of some carousel-style 3D shortcuts on the phone's main display. However, a nifty thing to note is that the smaller secondary display appears to be absolutely independent of the first one. While this special UI is active in contrast, we have notably seen the Asphalt racing game utilize both panels in an LG teaser, in much the same way as on the ROG Phone 3 with its twin view dock accessory. As far as we currently know from leaks, the secondary display will measure 4 inches in diagonal. In terms of internals, we expect a Snapdragon 765G, coupled with 8 GB of RAM. After a few delays, the unveiling of the LG wing is currently set for October 5th. The handset won't be immediately available for purchase after that, though, with LG planning a 4-week testing phase with select early users prior to a retail release. Pricing is still a bit of a mystery, so what you think about it, do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be amazing. And my name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.